Hello everyone, I hope you're all having a great day today. My name's Alison from Alison Tarrant Education, and in this video I'm here to talk about punctuation. Now the first punctuation symbol I'd like to cover today very briefly is called double quotation marks, and this is what they actually look like. You use these two symbols at the beginning and you use these two symbols at the end when you're using these double quotation marks. Now I'm going to go over three main meanings for this punctuation symbol. So the first one goes like this. Double quotation marks are used to show what someone has said. So in this example, I've written Tim said, and then I've actually written what he said. It is a lovely day. And you can see that the symbols are at the beginning of what he starts to say and at the end when he finishes saying it. So that's the first meaning. Now the second meaning, double quotation marks are used to show the titles of movies, books, songs, etc. Now this can also show the titles of, say, games, poems, short stories, but it's basically to say that this is what I'm talking about, this is what I'm referring to. So in this example, I watched the movie Titanic today. So can you see how Titanic, the double quotation marks start before the name of the movie and they finish at the end of the movie. Now in the third meaning, double quotation marks are used to show that a word is being talked about as a word. So if I wanted to refer to the word cat and say that cat is easy to spell, I would write an example sentence like this. The word cat, with the marks around the word at the beginning and the end, the word cat is easy to spell. Now these three examples are just to show you what the double quotation marks are actually used for. I will be doing separate lessons for each and every meaning and completely cover them. So, for example, for double quotation marks for what somebody has said, I'm going to cover 10 main rules and how you use them when you're talking about what somebody has said. And there will be many activity sheets and there will be many more examples. So if you're interested in learning about this, please keep watching.